No matter what shortcut keys you use, utilizing the shortcut keys in any application makes works more efficient as it is faster that way. So to know what shortcut keys you can use with Evernote, you can go around onto the bottom section right here, and here you can see keyboard shortcuts is an option. The shortcut to get into keyboard shortcuts is Control plus slash, as you can see as you hover around over here on the keyboard shortcut icon. So if I were to click right here, then you get all of the keyboard shortcuts as you can see. For example, the shortcut for new note is Control N. So if I were to go around, press Control N right here, then a new note is created. So over here, you can see that there's different shortcuts, like, for example, Alt Control 1 is open home page. So if I were to press Alt Control and 1, then it opens up the home page right here, just like this. So if I want to search for some shortcut key and I don't know what it is, going through the list one by one is not always possible. So let's say I want to go around and have note related shortcut keys. So I can just go around onto the find a shortcut option right here and type in note right here. Once I do that, over here you can see that there are different notes right here, note related shortcut keys right here that you can access. For example, for open notebooks is Alt, Control and 4 right here, just like this, and you can see that it opens it out that way. So that is how you can utilize shortcut keys inside of Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.